Oh hi, welcome back. Let's control the volume of your microphone on Windows so that your voice that is recorded using the microphone can sound louder or quieter as the output. So I'm using Windows 11 for this. Once you've plugged your microphone device into your PC or your computer and then you want to control the volume, and then you right click on the speaker icon and then you click on open volume mixer. The only volumes that you can control are the volumes of the speakers, the system sounds, or anything that produce the sound from a video or an audio that is being played, like YouTube videos, something like that. If you want to control the volume of your microphone, close it, right click on the same speaker icon and then click on sounds. Go over to recording. As you can see, this is the microphone device that you have plugged into your PC or your computer that you will be using to record. That I'm using to record this, that's to say. Double click on it. Click on levels to adjust the volume of your microphone. It can go quieter or louder, just like so. Once you've found the right volume, click on OK. And then it's all set. That's how you can change or control the volume of your microphone on Windows. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.